High up between majestic fjords and towering mountains, just north of the Norwegian city of Bergen, lies a historic sheep farm that has been in operation since 1518. Now a young couple is stepping in to carry on its legacy, but there's just one catch. They've never raised sheep before. Join us on this wild and unexpected journey as we navigate the challenges, joys, and surprises of farm life. Welcome to Totlandgard.
Special day because we're sending away 2 sheep for a slaughter. There are 2 that was emptied during scanning, and it's not that they can't get pregnant, it's just that it's so hard to see the sign that they're ready, which is the tail wiggling, and that's a problem. So we want clear signs, and they then don't have lambs either. Then we have to send them just because we need all the feed that we can get for our own sheep. So right now we will collect 2 of them, get them on the trailer, collect another one as well, a ram, and then we will deliver them. So we'll see. And one of the ewes, she's crazy, so we'll see how that goes. So the 2 lambs and the sheep, the ewe, was delivered. We tried to collect all the sheep to one place and to gather them there, so the big trailer don't need to stop at a lot of places. So it saves money and we get a little bit more. So now that's done. Never fun. I think that is really the struggle, because we care a lot for animals, and especially like the one that the ewe that we gave away now, 30-40. She's a very, very nice sheep. It's very calm and yeah, looking after her kids. But she didn't get any this year, and she's also been a little. I think maybe that she had some kind of injury, because she's just not quite herself. But nothing wrong that we can find, but she just seems a bit off. So therefore we just decided to send her, and we need all the grass and all the silage for the ewes that are lambing. So it's hard, but that's how it is. I think it's much harder when they are lamb, actually, or when they are older and they're sheep that we have had for many years and been good sheep. That's the hardest. And now I will just put the trailer at its place, and I see my grandfather has also put the trailer here. Okay. Classic. Well, everything is supposed to have its own place, but it's difficult when you're a lot of people that fight over the same space. That was that. Now it's just to feed the sheep. Maybe I saw that we have some little creek, and I saw that the water was kind of stuck there. It didn't go into the pipe, so I'll just clear that out as well. It's really something. It's just so important to let them exercise a little bit. I had them out a couple of times today, but they probably need more. I can give them anyways, but I was having it better than they would have where they were, so. And soon there will be a lot of sheep outside. And then they will train a lot. So, no worries.